welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited for today's video because it is a collab with some of my good friends and amazing women and channels here on YouTube. I'm going to link all of their channels below in my description box, as well as put them here on the screen for you.
Together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday.
So in today's video, I'm going to be setting up and decorating my holiday hot cocoa bar, and I'm so excited because it just gives me all of the Christmas warm and cozy vibes. Not to mention that my kids love hot cocoa, they ask for it all the time. So now how I have it set up, it makes it easy for them to just make it themselves. They can choose from so many different toppings and flavors and just make it fun for them. So I hope that you can also get some ideas. I don't have a really big space on my counter, but I may do with the space that I have. I also originally started out using a tiered tray that I made in one of my DIYs, but after I had it all set up, I kind of wasn't feeling it. Not to mention, I wanted something a little different from what everybody else has. So I found another type of tiered tray, and I think it came really nice and I like it. So I hope that you like this video. I hope that you can get some ideas for your own hot cocoa bar. And even if you have a small space, I hope maybe this can help you out a little bit. Please be sure to give this video a like, and please subscribe if you have not done so already so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And don't forget to check out the other ladies in this collab as well. And let's get right on into the video. So I'm just going to start out here and wipe down my trays before I go ahead and decorate them. And I have everything spread out here on the counter so I can see what I'm working with. And as I mentioned before, I did go ahead and get a new tray. I just feel like this one is a little bit more unique, and the one that I was going to use is round. And I just felt that it didn't have as much surface space, so that you also couldn't really see the stuff very well. So here I'm just using this cute little sign, candy cane wishes and mistletoe kisses, these little cute jars that I found from Target, and then this cute little ornament that I'm going to put up here. I just wanted to see how it looks, and I will put it back on later. Moving on to the middle shelf, I have this adorable Santa mug that I've had for so many years, and if you could see the plate behind it, it matches with it, and it says cookies for Santa. So I found these red and white striped paper straws from my grocery store. That cute little milk jug is from Michael's. And then I found these peppermint individually wrapped like candy cane spoons from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put them in this Frosties Snowflake Cafe jar, and just look at the lid, how cute it is. So to finish off the top tray, I'm just going to put this small gingerbread house that I found from Michael's. In the back of that, on the window, I just put a sign that says warm up at the chocolate bar. And then next to that is a Santa, and he's holding a whisk. So I thought that would be cute. So here's how it's looking so far. And now moving on, I've had this wooden box for a few years already, but I figured it would be cute and a good idea to hold the cocoa. So of course I have the old-fashioned Swiss Miss packets, as well as this one here from Starbucks, but it's actually from Target, but it's Starbucks brand that we didn't even open yet. And this caramel dipped wooden spoon. And then I have this red and green marshmallows. They're also from Target. And that candy jar is from my mom, so I put it out every year. I love it. It just reminds me of her, and it's so special. This Christmas tree has hot cocoa in it. That's from Target. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put some candy canes along that box. And then I wanted to show you these adorable mugs that I couldn't pass up from Bed Bath & Beyond. And the handle has Santa. And then I also bought another one, and that handle also has Santa as well. I thought it was so adorable. It says Jingle All the Way. So yeah, this is how it looks. And now Johnny's gonna try some cocoa.
I hope you guys liked my mom's hot cocoa video.
Do you want some marshmallows in that cocoa?
Yes.
Put your cup down. 2?
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you have done a hot cocoa or maybe a coffee bar yet for the holidays. Don't forget to check out the other ladies' videos. And leave me some Christmas emojis and some love down below. And I will see you again real soon in my next one.